How to enable TikTok dark mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually enable dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable dark mode on TikTok, all you have to do is just go ahead and actually launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where from the bottom right of the screen you'll see the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon over here, all you need to do is currently you can see I'm on the light theme, right? So just tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you'll find the option called settings. Just tap on settings and privacy, where you'll also find the option called display. So just tap on the display option. Once you tap on display, here you can say light and you can say dark, so just tap on dark. Now keep in mind that this process is only actually available for iPhone users. Currently on Android, TikTok has not released the dark mode feature for Android users, only for iOS users. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.